Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the essentials. Unplug the machine and raise the presser foot so tension discs release. Place the spool on the pin with the label facing outward, secure with the appropriate cap, and follow the numbered threading path printed on the Janome. This aligns thread tension and prevents snarls. Feed the thread through the top thread guide, then down and around the first groove. You want smooth flow, so keep light tension with your left hand as you move to the next step. Once done with the upper guides, bring the thread up to the K-cup lever when it's at its highest position. Pass the thread through from right to left or top to bottom per your model. This controls stitch formation. Continue down through the lower guides and finally thread the needle from front to back for straight, even stitches. If you use the built-in threader, position the hook behind the needle eye and pull gently. Make sure the thread lies in the needle groove for reliable stitching. Finish by threading and inserting the bobbin according to your Janome's horizontal or vertical case. Wind neatly and ensure the bobbin turns correctly. Hold the upper thread with your left hand, slowly turn the handwheel toward you to lower and raise the needle so it catches the bobbin thread, then pull both threads under the presser foot and toward the back. Test sew on scrap fabric. If stitches loop or pucker, recheck threading and tension. A common
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.